Hi, and welcome back. In this session, we're going to cover the tasks area of the delivery methodology. So you'll click the Global Settings, Delivery Methodology, and then select the Tasks tab. And what we're going to be doing here is adding tasks to the phases that we've already created. When you first come into the screen, you're going to see the refresh phase list. That button's just there. If you're making changes to phases and you might not see it added here, just simply click the phase list and this list will be updated. But you're going to select the particular phase that you want to add. Then you're going to type a short description of the task. Now, this is not the detailed description. We're going to do that in the details area. So we'll select one after you add it over here with the add button. It'll be added below and into the phase that you've added it to. So let's show you what we have. This one called application integrations. We click details, and then you're brought into the details screen. Here you can basically same thing here. You have the refresh if needed. You might not need it here. And then you have the two areas you've already added. Then there's one here with allow quantity to be added. So we'll come back to that one in just a second. You'll select your product that you're performing the task on. You'll select the type in your detailed description of the tasks, and then your customer responsibility as well. You want to make sure that the customer understands what their responsibility is in this particular task. And then down below, you're going to see the resources. So this is your resources as a delivery the provider, delivery provider. What you're going to do is you're going to add the number of hours it takes for each one of these. We recommend that this is a quantity of one. So so you want to make sure how many hours is going to be added for each resource. Okay, then this is going to be used in the calculation in the estimate and statement of work. I told you we'll come back to the allow quantity. It's important here because, so for example, this is a good example where application integrations. If this is a single integration and we click allow quantity to be updated, the estimator can then select, can increase that quantity. So if this is a single integration and let's say you want to give the sales team the flexibility so they don't have to keep reaching back to you to do an estimate, you basically build a task to let's call it a simple integration, and then of one, and then they can add it to how many ever integrations that customer needs, they can change that without having to reach back out to you or your team for that information. If you don't select it, then they can't add that task will not be shown for them to be able to update that quantity. And make sure to save. Make sure to save as you're going through Service Breeze often, so it's easy to move through the different tasks without hitting save. So that's important. And that's all there is to adding tasks. Thanks for watching.